We want to prepare them for a job. Or for some families that their kids won't go on to a job, we also want to prepare them to be productive and participate in their home environment. So we might teach kids how to set the table, sorting silverware, unloading the dishwasher, even folding those clothes. Those are all things that they can do to be part of their family environment, or they're skills that they can bring into the workplace as well. So that's what we're really trying to do and focus on.
So how does the remodeled room help you accomplish that with your students?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked because organization is huge and really having a place for everything so kids know where to find it and we know where to find it so that we're working smarter and not harder. And as you can see, I mean, we have just a beautiful place where everything is, and before it was just kind of stacked all over on the floor and jammed on the countertops. And so it's important for me to also provide the kids with a clean, organized environment because that's a life skill that they really need to have, especially as they move into the workplace. I mean, think about your hotels. Everything has a place. If you're folding washcloths, they have a place. If you're folding sheets, they have a place. And so they're really learning that here, that everything goes back to where we found it. And we have places to put the folded towels or a drawer to put the folded clothes just as you would at your home.